Hey y'all, it's Candy with KANDI'S Kreations. We're gonna make a Mr. Skelly Bones wreath today. What I've done so far is I got this from, you can get these at Michael's or any Party City. You know, he's a 3-foot skeleton. You can use a 2-foot. You don't have to use exactly the same one that I got, but he's just a skeleton. And you can find them all over the place. This is a grapevine. It's a 24-inch grapevine, and I spray painted it black. There's no specific spray paint that I use. This looks to be a satin. You can use a gloss. You can use any kind of black spray paint that you want. So I have this top hat is actually a headband. I got it from Michael's years ago, but they sell them all over the place where there's holiday decor. Walmart, Party City, Target, Michael's. I got this one from Michael's, and the headband part I just snipped off, so it has a pretty much, you know, clean finish, and I just glued it on the top. So he is zip tied on here through his ribs. I got black zip ties. You could use wreath wire, but y'all know I always like zip ties because they're just extra secure. He's zip tied right here to the grapevine, and he's zip tied right here through his pelvic area. So I have just, you know, the bones of it done. So what I'm gonna do is I have a lot. I'm gonna make a bow, and I'm just gonna build around my bow. I have some Halloween picks. I have some pumpkins here, and as I go along, we will figure out what we're gonna use. And I just have a variety of purple, black, you know, all the Halloween fun stuff that I had around here. So we will just start by making a bow. These came from Dollar Tree, and y'all, these came from Dollar Tree. And what I'm gonna do real quick before I forget, some have eyes on them and some don't, but check this out. I've learned this before. These eyes match the inside of him perfect. So we're fixing to get him some eyeballs. I just put it on the inside, but you got to put it on the outside ring. Just be careful. Dollar Tree has really cute Halloween stuff out right now. I have a Frankie that I need to do, a custom stitch set, and I got this from the Dollar Tree because I like to give it a little extra to put on that. So just a tidbit there. Alright, let me get another eyeball. Glue this one on. Just gives them a little bit of extra character, you know? And the bow tie, the eyes, top hat, you know, you gotta give things character. Kind of pumpkin we want to put, and I always like to glue his hands like he's holding the pumpkin. So I do love this stripe one. I like this one better, but I also have this purple one here that I think I would like to use does look super pretty. I want to use both of them somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on his hand. Oh, we gotta be patient and patient and patient. These all are from Craft Outlet or the Wreath shop. Just go in there and pick you out. I think I'm gonna use, I got enough eyeballs in here. I don't want to use any more eyeballs. Oh, his hand came off. Looks like I need to sit here and hold it for a few more minutes. This side or this side? I like it on the outside. Add some glue. This is your heart's content pumpkin. Always be aware of how you want your stem to go. So many times I mess myself up by not being aware how I want my stems to face. Don't want to hide his bow tie. Okay. That's smushed on there good. Maybe you can add another youth pin to the back, but it may be fine with just some glue. I think he's fabulous the way he is, and y'all just take it and run with it. You could do these in a floral / Halloween. You could do them in all kind of different ways. Look on Pinterest, you could find inspiration from that. Lots of different ways that you can do this. So he's awesome sauce. All right, y'all have a good day. See you later.